What's up, you guys? It's Greg here. Welcome back. And good news, my WeBull account is now over $2,000 profit. It was only $400 profit last time we checked, so doing well. And I wanted to take this video opportunity to show you guys what stocks I'm buying now and in the future, why, and a new tool that is going to tell you if a stock is a hold, a buy, a strong buy, or a sell or a strong sell at any given time. A new tool I found, which I'm telling people about. And if you haven't gotten involved with WeBull yet, they're gonna be giving away up to 4 free stocks when you deposit $100 onto their platform. Make sure to use that link below and create your free account at WeBull to get that process started. Those stocks you'll get are gonna be worth between $800 and $1,600, so it's basically free money, which I know we love. So, sorry about the beanie here. It's getting a little cold here in Minnesota. But yeah, let's dive right in. So the tool I will show you now is gonna be findable through Google, like everything. And you're just gonna look for, you can see all the stocks I recently looked for. You're gonna look for TradingView, just TradingView, one word. And then on the Google results, you can just click on Stock Screener. Okay, so the idea here is it's gonna give you a lot of data on hot stocks, which you probably already know are hot. But let's say you have a random stock you wanna look at, like Home Depot, just pick that out of my head. So you need to search for the ticker up top, which I know is HD. And you do have to search for the ticker, otherwise it's gonna give you other info about the company. And then you scroll down, so here's Home Depot, actually had $2.75, went up a little bit, $2. You scroll down, and down in technicals is the really cool feature where it shows you this meter. And if you watch the meter, it's actually fluctuating. I don't know why people drive cars with those engines. It's just like like an insult to the rest of the world. Just get that fixed. So you see this little meter kind of fluctuating, kind of wants to go towards neutral. So like Home Depot is not that great of a buy now. You could maybe do better, especially in these times, these unprecedented times, people say. So let's try looking up another one like Tesla. Okay, I'm gonna hit blue search button. I'm gonna scroll down. Tesla is also a buy in that same portion of Home Depot. So let's try a third one like Moderna, because Moderna's been going up like crazy lately. Scroll down. Okay, and so I'm not just gonna give you all that are just medium buys. Let's go to my stocks and let's do a search for one of them. So I'm gonna search by unrealized profit loss. Why don't we try Chewy, CHWY, as an example. Scroll down and there we go. We got a strong buy. Chewy stock is a strong buy. I know my mother-in-law was talking about it because she orders food for like several different cats and dogs. I used it. I'm still old-fashioned. I like going to Chuck and Don's to get my food and litter. Great people there to talk to, and you meet other animals. But strong buy. So if you have some money lying around and you believe in online pet food delivery, you could buy Chewy and you would probably make money, is what this is telling us. So pretty cool. I hope you can use TradingView, and just keep in mind that while things look great, like the chart's going up, if you do catch one of these stocks at a peak point, like this particular peak right here, what goes up sometimes must come down, so you might get disappointed. Basically, if you can find stocks that are low in a valley and strong buys, then you're good to go. You have the green light to buy it. Now, times are also unprecedented. What does that even mean? That means that we've never seen stuff like this before, meaning the pandemic, the world, the trading volumes, the way stocks shoot up and shoot down. So yeah, we've just never seen stuff like this before. We don't always know how to act, which means there's greater opportunities, but also greater risks. So just keep in mind that things are crazier than usual. That's basically what unprecedented means, and much crazier, in fact. For example, a stock like Novavax, I remember looking up on here, and I think it said, so Novavax just went up 22.5%, which is huge. Like if you put in $10,000, you would have made $2,200 right away in one day. That's unprecedented. So it says buy now for Novavax, but before it said strong sell. And then, or maybe it was between strong sell and sell. And then the next day it went down like something ridiculous, like 15%. And then the next days after that, it went up a lot. So this meter can go back and forth, and it's gonna be on you to understand that each day or each week can present different info for you and what you should do with your trades. All right, but yeah, a stock like Chewy looks like it's on the up and up right now, and it's gonna be a lot less volatile than Novavax. Okay, so pretty cool. What stocks am I using? Not using, I mean holding on to right now. And why? Well, we have my list right here, sorted by the gainers and the losers. And the nice thing about WeBull is that it's not my main trading platform. I mainly invest on Fidelity. That's where like my lion's share is. So on WeBull, I'm able to buy things that are a little more carefree and let them ride. And actually, using that strategy has helped me do a lot better and do it a lot and invest in a stress-free manner. So I kind of forget about these and I look back at them and they're up, which is great. It's kind of one of those secret things you're supposed to do in investing is just forget. So I really like WeBull because it helps me invest casually and stress-free, and it's worked out so far. And it can work out for you. Remember, WeBull is going to be giving away up to 4 free stocks when you deposit $100 onto the platform. You don't have to do anything with the 100. You can withdraw it once you get your free stocks and take all the money. But as you can see here, I have invested my $100 and more, and it's worked out. So yeah, it's fluctuating right now too. I'll show you why. But let's go over the list of stocks before the video is over. So I have DraftKings. I'm holding on to DraftKings because it went down so much. Jim Cramer was saying it was a down stock, and then it looked like the sellers kind of cleared out, and now it's becoming an industry leader in sports betting, which everyone loves. So that's why I'm holding it. Shopify, it's the Amazon like #1 competitor right now. So when it went down to $8.98, I saw an 8 in front of it. That's just too low for Shopify. It was ridiculous. Shouldn't have been sold. Bought that one, and I will be holding it. Chewy, we already discussed. PayPal, they just got into cryptocurrency, and I really like where they're going. And PayPal is one of those stocks that you can pretty much just buy when it dips and then be safe because it is a fintech. It is like Square. It's just essential to the way we do business. Next, we can see we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin's interesting on Webull because they don't charge any fees, but when you buy it, you get a slightly different price and a slightly higher price than what it's at the moment. I think that's their version of a fee. So I bought it at like 16,900 and it came in at 17,300 or something like that. Really weird. So I just had to hold it an additional amount of days to let it go up. And now it's doing great, and I'm actually really happy because I'm up 5% on Bitcoin. And in the weekend when things are closed, I still get that satisfaction of watching my account go up or hopefully not go down, and enjoy checking on it in the morning. After that, you can see, guys, we have Wayfair. I don't really know much about that company, but I know enough about online shopping and the holidays that's gonna heat up. Beyond Meat I have because it's one of those newer millennial stocks. I'm gonna hold that. Ford is a recent success story. They're taking off, and they're also getting into the EV plays, electric vehicles. Ford was so beaten down, so shorted, that it was just a time to buy it, and I had a lot of signals coming from people like Jim Cramer, people I trust, people in the automotive industries that know the CEOs and all. So that was good to go. Teladoc, not really sure why I have that one, to be honest. Peloton, but it's up. Beautiful. Peloton, I like that one at 104. I didn't like it at 130, but it came down, so I picked it up. FedEx, obviously just a consistent staple stock. It's good to have some FedEx, and they pay good dividends. Twilio is one of those new normal stocks. People should be using it through the pandemic and after. Starbucks, I mean, come on, like Starbucks are taking over. They're gonna be like entire malls filled with Starbucks like we saw on The Simpsons way back. And Costco, I want that for those dividends we talked about in our other video, worth $10 per share. Lastly, we have Chegg. That was a total whiff. They sell online textbooks. I bought that into earnings, big mistake. Norton LifeLock, I don't know why I have them because I'm not that big on cybersecurity. Chevron was just trying to make I was trying to make a play into oils, didn't work. And then Gap went down so much because they missed their earnings report. and I thought it was a time 1 week ago from today when retail was going up because Nordstrom's went up a lot and Gap went down, so that was another whiff. Not too happy about that, guys. Not much to celebrate at the bottom, but thankfully as we go up, there's a larger sea of green than red, and that's why we're up just over $2,000 right now. So thanks for joining me on that little stock adventure. I'm gonna cut the video off here at about 10 or 11 minutes. Leave a like if you learned something here, or if you're having fun investing like me. Post a comment with any questions. No comment is too small or too silly, and I hope you can subscribe so you can continue. And I hope you can subscribe, and I hope you can click subscribe so that you continue following us on our WeBull journey and can chime in with some of your own WeBull tips on how to make money with WeBull. So pretty cool.